Everybody is buzzing about this new Apple Watch trick. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter while you're there. So if you've got an Apple Watch and you wish you could control it without actually ever having to touch it, Apple has impressed us yet again with their latest release of watchOS 10.1. It's going to allow you to double tap your fingers together to control the watch. Would have to be on this hand that your watch is on. New feature is compatible with Apple Watch Series 9, Apple Watch Ultra 2, and later. It is called the double tap. By merely tapping your index finger and your thumb on the same hand as your watch, you'll have the ability to perform numerous common actions, which actually ends up being really cool and convenient, like answering and ending a phone call, playing and pausing music, more things like that. You can do all kinds of stuff with double tap. To customize this feature, here's what you're going to want to do. Tap on your Apple Watch, tap gestures, then tap double tap. From here, you can choose your playback settings and your smart stack settings. Apple says this double tap feature is about 25% more effective than the previous generation. And with a new 4-core neural engine that can perform machine learning tasks twice as fast, you may think this is magic, but there is a scientific explanation. It works by sensing tiny wrist movements and changes in the blood flow when you tap your fingers together. What else can Apple Watch tell I'm doing? Get security alerts and my free CyberGuy newsletter right here at cyberguy.com.